Here we are with another Lego puzzle box. Alright. Take that. Pushing it. Okay. And then you can see in there. It's a little lever. When you push it, knocks that out of place, revealing the key. You can see it better now. Take the key. And as you look around, there's probably a million different little holes to stick it in. There's only one correct hole. If you look at this, the front, side, whatever you want to call it, almost looks like there's an arrow smacking you in the face. So, take your key and you put it in there. And then you spin it clockwise. You keep on spinning and spinning and spinning until now on the inside we're supposed to push this piece out. I don't know why it didn't work. Okay, here's the mechanism. Just a couple seconds to reset it. Okay, so there's the inner mechanism. There's the little slide that right there. The key. So basically how it works is when you push this in, pushes up against the key. Whoops. That wasn't supposed to happen because I forgot to put a piece back. That would be why. Okay, so when you take the key, you can see you don't stick it in the right hole, nothing happens. So when you stick it in, it goes into there, and as you turn it, turns the gears, which moves this piece in here, which is the little paddle. As you turn it, panel pushes against the final piece, which then is supposed to knock it out, but why it's not working right now because there's other pieces that help it. I had to take out to show you. Okay, so there is my Lego puzzle box. Redneck Mal out.